In this video, we will learn how to get phone information using the 11-digit phone number and the country code using the Python module phone number or the external library, we can say. So if you are using Anaconda or Jupyter Notebook, you can download the or you can install the phone number library by these steps. So we will go to environments, and here we will search for the phone number package, and as you can see, it is already installed in my Anaconda Note Navigator. But if you are using some other IDE, you can also download it by the pip command. You can give pip install phone numbers, and this will install phone number on your PC. And if it is already installed, it will generate a message that requirement successfully satisfied. So we will wait for the message and requirement already satisfied. So we are ready to go for the code. Firstly, we will import phone numbers, and next we will import from phone numbers import geocoder. And in the next line, we will save our number as a string with the country code uh, into a variable called num. So we have stored our number. Next line, we will use number is equal to phone numbers dot parse, and in this function we will pass our number as an argument with a string called ch, capital Ch. So I have read the documentation of the phone number module, and I haven't understood what actually Ch is used for, so I can't explain it to you. But whenever we will use the parse function, we have to give this Ch command. In the next line, we will print geocoder dot for number, and in this function we will pass our number variable as an argument with the en, as that stands for English. We run it and we get an output for Pakistan, as the +092 gives Pakistan. So secondly, we will import from phone numbers import uh, carrier, and in the next line I will use service variable is equal to phone number dot parse, and in this variable I will pass num, in whichever number is stored, and ro string as same as ch, and I haven't understood even this, so I can't explain it to you. And lastly, print into carrier dot name for number, and in this function we will pass our service variable with en, as for stands for language. And after running this, we get an output as uphone, as the number is using uphone carrier services.